Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Amex points to book American airline flights. It's a quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have ever tried using Amex points to directly book flights with American Airlines, you might have noticed that it's not possible to transfer the points directly. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround using a partner airline, that is British Airways. So British Airways is a partner of American Airlines, which means you can use British Airways to book the same flights that are available on American Airlines. And here's how you can do it. Search for British Airways on Google, click on the first result, that will be www.britishairways.com, and go to the official British Airways website. Once you're there, hover your mouse over to Book tab and click on Book Flight with Avios. According to the American Express website, you can transfer your Amex points to British Airways and convert them into Avios. You'll be using these Avios points to book your flights. To do this, select the amount of Amex points you want to transfer and confirm the transfer. As long as you have enough Amex points, they will be converted into Avios. Now that your Amex points are transferred, you can book American airline flights directly through British Airways. Since British Airways is a partner of American Airlines, you will find the same flights listed on both the websites. Just remember, this process works through British Airways because American Airlines does not accept Amex points directly. And that's it. You know how to transfer your Amex points to book American airline flights using British Airways. It's a simple workaround that allows you to access the same flights even though you can't use your Amex points directly. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and thanks for watching.